Spring's officially here. We made it. We made it through the long winter. Now we got a ton of cleanup to do. So, game plan for today is to leaf blow all the leaves out. We already took some rocks out of the lawn. Need like some rock beds and stuff. There's a couple holes to fill. Lots of garbage to clean up. We got junk everywhere. When we moved in here, it was winter. Well, it's like the next day winter showed up. That's how we managed to get the U-Haul up here. So everything out of the U-Haul that was like for outside stuff kind of just got scattered everywhere. Kind of just threw it all over the map. I've been picking at it slowly. That's a loner. Like this garden situation here, it's gotta go. We gotta get some lawn in this place. It's ugly. Ugly, ugly, ugly. And this guy had like an obsession with rocks. I guess it's cheaper than mowing a lawn, I suppose. As I get older, I start realizing how important a lawn is. I was the same way. I hated mowing the lawn. I didn't care about what a lawn looked like. Now all I want is that nice thick lawn where you can basically lay down in it. So like all this clutter's gotta kind of go, and we'll try to fill it. Not today, but we'll at least try to get rid of these leaves. Little fire pit. That needs to be upgraded also. Found like a bunch of jerry cans buried under the snow. I looked for all winter. Got a little mini bike here that my friend decided to take a clutch off it, so I can't even use it. Uncle Drew, you know who you are. We actually caught up on the wood a bit, and then we still got all those trees over there. So the bush is starting to clear up. Should have seen the water. The water coming down here was extreme. Everything just flooded. Our road washed out a bit. Got potholes everywhere. Truck still can't make it up, so a friend of ours let us borrow his quad to get in and out. The snow machine's no good anymore. So the area I was thinking about filling, looks like I can probably build, at least in this area. I can put a chicken coop around here where the flat is, and then I can kind of just build it over these logs. They call the stumps. And then I can build a nice pen. I was told you need gravel for chickens, but I'm not sure. I was gonna grow some lawn, but I'll have to do some research on that. And then maybe a goat and some turkeys. So that's the game plan for today. Go do some leaf blowing and see what this kind of land we're working with. And if we have time today, we'll fill some potholes and go from there. So this is the leaf blower. It's the Honda Powerhead. I'm not sure, but it's I think it's a 35cc. I think it's a big dog. So this is about all you need to do all your yard work around your house for about $2,000. Chainsaw is a little bit of turd, but it works. The whacker's pretty good. That blower's pretty neat. Gets right down in there and it's pretty powerful.
That's such a good job.
They did.
So we started with leaf blowing. Started from this side here. Worked our way up. It wasn't this pretty when just with the leaf blowing, but we were able to make it probably about where the garage is. And then I came behind Cody with a rake and took out most of the extra loose stuff. But
There was so much like leaves. Like I don't think he ever raked because there was like just layers on layers of layers. So this is what we got now.
I'm gonna go for dinner for my sister's birthday. So this is kind of what we're left with.
And then we got 3 days of rain coming, so looks like this is how we're gonna have to stop for now. I went through and blew all this, and then she came behind me and raked it all. It's coming along. So the Toro, basically when the leaves got too thick, I kind of just mulched it down with the Toro, and it seemed to help blow it a bit better. Yeah, sinkholes. I don't know if they're sinkholes or they're just his rock playground because he just has rocks everywhere. And his little dwarven chairs. Oh, by the way, we're having a girl. He was like, I'm assuming he was a countertop maker or something because we have a ton of this rock everywhere. Like even in this garden over here, it's like our outhouse has marble. Got sink. But yeah, that'll do it for today's video. We'll try to get something done sooner. It's been a long winter, and it seems like the only thing we ever did was trees.
Find the nice to
Clean up, and we'll seed it. Once the weather gets a little better, then we'll get our garden started and go from there.
And the girls got a good run today.